subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Boxes. It's 12-inch finished. Here's the diagram, and here are 4 blocks set block to block. These blocks in here I've reversed. The dark fabric is in the inside and the light fabric is in the corners, and this is reversed. The light fabric is in the inside and the dark fabric is in the corners, and it gives a nice effect. I'll be making 1 block in the background, so I'll have 2 blocks to show you when we're finished. Patch A is a 3-inch finished square. We cut 3.5-inch squares, and we'll need 4 patches of the light fabric. Here's the AccuQuilt dies that will cut this shape. Patch B is a 1-inch by 3-inch finished rectangle. We cut 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and we'll need 4 patches of the background. Patch C is a 3-inch by 4-inch finished rectangle. We cut 4.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and we'll need 4 patches of the dark fabric. Patch D is a 1-inch by 4-inch finished rectangle. We cut 4.5 inches by 1.5 inches. We need 4 patches of the background and 4 patches of the light fabric. And patch E is a 4-inch finished square. We cut 4.5 inches squares, and we just need 1 for the background. And here are the AccuQuilt dies that will cut this shape. Here are the fabrics I've chosen, and for this block we're going to have the light fabric in the corners. So this patch A is in the corners, the outside corners. Patch B and patch D, these are little frames that we're going to put around the squares and the rectangles. And patch C goes on the sides, here at the top, the bottom, and the left and right sides. And it's the dark fabric. And then we have our background fabric as the center square. Now look at step 1. We're going to take the A patches and the background B patches and sew them together like this. Here are the A patches and the B patches, and we'll sew them like this. Press the seams open, and we'll make 4 of these. Step 2, we'll take the D patch and sew it to the bottom of the AB patch that we just sewed. Here are the AB patches we just sewed, and here is the D patch. We'll sew it like this, press the seams open, and we'll have 4 of these. The step 2 units are done. Put them to the side. For step 3, we'll take the C patch and the D patch and sew them together like this. This is the 4.5 inches, and this is 4.5 inches, so you sew it to this side, or you could sew it to the top. It doesn't matter, just one side, and make 4 of these. Our step 3 units are done. Now we just put the block together. We're going to lay it out on the proppet board. Sew the units together in rows. So you have the top row, the middle row, and the bottom row. Press the seams open, then sew your rows together. Here is the block with the light corners, and here is a block from the same collection of fabrics with the dark corner. And when you put those together, you get a different design. The dark is in the center and in the corners. And here the light is in the center and the corners. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.